Good morning, it's Monday and I'm about to pack Matt up for work lunch. I'm giving him a Propel. This is the Vitamin Boost electrolyte water in the peach mango. I got these off Amazon a while back. I actually have to reorder, and I'm also going to order another flavor. I will leave the link to these down below in the description box in case you want to check out the ingredients. I'm also giving him a Dr. Pepper in a little can, and the sandwich here is on the Anzio Brothers roll, which I love these rolls. It's got turkey, Swiss cheese, some mayo, and some romaine lettuce. I'm giving him a Natural Choice Hormel. This is the uncured pepperoni, cheddar, and cracker little snack pack. A small thing of Pringles. I got a case of these at BJ's. And then this is a fruit cup with strawberries and cut up watermelon. And I will show you guys what I'm having at home later. Alright, so on Monday I am eating lunch at home early before Grady and I head to the splash pad. I'm drinking a water that I already have open. I'm going to have some of this cut up watermelon that I cut up for the week. And I'm going to have a hot meal. I just heated it up. It's ground turkey with Napa cabbage, zucchini, yellow squash, onion, and Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt, pepper. Actually, sorry, scratch the salt, just pepper, because the Worcestershire sauce has enough salt. And then I did do some fresh green beans that I made as well. I do have, I think, a couple clips from when I prepped this, so I'll go ahead and insert them now. So to make this dish, I just used the Napa cabbage I got from the farmer's market and chopped it up and rinsed it really well with some cold water. I use Worcestershire sauce on my ground turkey to flavor it. I like the combination. So I've got the cabbage washed, I've got zucchini from the farmer's market with some onion, and I go ahead, cook up my turkey, I drain all the fat, and I actually push out any additional fat that I can. In the same pan, I saute up the zucchini and onion. I also throw in the cabbage, cook that down a little bit, and then I add the cooked turkey meat back to the pan, add some Worcestershire sauce and a bunch of different seasonings. I've got my fresh green beans boiling. I drain them and put them back in the pot with some butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And there you have the completed meals. We had this for lunch on Sunday, Matt and I, and then I also obviously made a separate portion. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch today, along with the watermelon, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, it's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack Matt up for work. He is having today a Body Armor strawberry banana. These were on sale at Target for 99 cents this week, so I picked up 4 of them. I also got giving him a Schweppes ginger ale, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The salad here, I am actually going to be having the same exact thing for lunch, but mine I'm going to bring to go. Grady and I are headed down to Albany today. We have a bunch of different errands to do. I have a couple returns, a few stores I need to go to, and then we're going to go to Chuck E. Cheese because he has a gift card and he likes to play the coin pusher game. So we're going to go there. After, we're going to go to the park, and I am going to bring this exact salad. So that's going to be my lunch today. So Matt's lunch, same as mine. It's a bed of spring mix and romaine, some leftover chicken that was grilled and marinated, some hard-boiled egg. I've got radish from my parents' garden, black olives, cucumber, tomato, peppers, carrot. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything. Matt's gonna have this Ken's Steakhouse Greek dressing. I have the container here, and I'll probably go ahead and pack the same dressing for my salad as well. I'm also giving him some Pirate's Booty white cheddar puffs, and this is like a little cake bite thing. It actually looks just like the picture. The rainbow little cake with like a vanilla icing and sprinkles. I found these at Walmart randomly. So I'm going to give him that, and I think I'm also going to throw in a banana. And yeah, this is what he's having today. Again, I'm having the same thing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Wednesday. Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack Matt up for work. I'm giving him a watermelon strawberry Body Armor drink. This is the Superior Hydration. A Gatorade Fierce. This is in the blue cherry. And then, of course, his main source of drinking is always this water cooler. So also for the main event, I'm giving him a salad. This is like a spinach spring mix type of thing from Trader Joe's. And then I threw on some hard-boiled eggs with radish from my parents' garden, tomato, there's cucumber, there's carrot, pepper, some cheese, and then some sliced up. There's also black olives and sliced up turkey. The dressing here is in this little square container. It's a Greek dressing. Also a Pringle Original, one of these little salami sticks from Trader Joe's. It's like a hard, dry salami little stick. And I'm also giving him a couple of these cookies. They are the Pepperidge Farm Farmhouse Thin and Crispy Toffee and Milk Chocolate. They are actually pretty small, so I gave him 2. And yeah, this is his lunch today. Alright, so for lunch today, I'm having a big salad as well. I've got the Trader Joe's like spring mix, which is pretty fluffy, so I tried to pack it down in the bowl. I've got tomato, black olive, cucumber, some crouton, carrot, peppers, and some radishes from my parents' garden. I also threw in just some turkey, like deli turkey meat. It's like the Oscar Mayer natural turkey breast or whatever. I just chopped it up. And then I'm also having this Greek dressing with it. And then to drink, I'm going to have this black cherry citrus fresca, which is really good. Actually tastes really good. So yeah, I'm going to dig into this. Grady and I are home getting stuff done around the house, and we're going to go outside so he can do his little like splash pad mat. And this is what I'm having. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So on Thursday, it was 4th of July, and Matt was home, and we were getting stuff done around the house. I actually made a home chef meal, their egg roll in a bowl. It came out really, really good, actually, and it was a great lunch. We'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Good morning, it's Friday, and I am getting ready to pack Matt up for work. Today, I'm giving him a Propel water in the kiwi strawberry, a Dr. Pepper. I've got a sandwich here on these pretzel rolls. This is what they look like. I got these from Walmart, but they sell them at other places as well. I've got some spicy mustard, some spring mix and arugula, Swiss cheese, and pastrami from Trader Joe's. It's like a peppered beef pastrami. A little cup of pasta salad that I made. That's just left over from a batch. In this little cup, we have some Little Bites soft-baked mini chocolate chip cookies. Matt said they're really good. And then I'm also going to give him a banana. And I'll show you guys what I'm having later. My brother is actually coming over just for lunch to hang out for a bit and play with Grady. And I'm actually going to make us a home chef meal. So I'll just show you a quick clip of that after this, of what we're going to have. And then I did want to share like some product, like actual product favorites that you guys see in my lunch videos and ask about a lot. I want to just share those with you because I just created an Amazon store because I get a lot of questions about, you know, what container is this, or where can I get this, you know, coffee cup and that kind of thing. So I have everything linked down below, and I'll share all of that after Friday's lunch clip. So this is what I made for my brother and I for lunch on Friday. It is a home chef meal. It was like a beef sort of fajita rice bowl, and the rice had like a chimichurri sauce on it. It was actually a really good dish. I really enjoyed it, and it was really easy to follow. This is one of the Home Chef Express meals, which are easier, and we both had a drink with ours, the Propel waters, and yeah, this was what I had Friday. Alright, so like I mentioned earlier in the video, I wanted to share a few of my most asked about items. I get asked a lot about our Yum Box. We have 2 orange ones. We have a green one in a bigger size and a gray one in a bigger size. I don't use or show those that much because they are so big that I can't pack them in our lunch coolers because they're too long. This is the most popular size. It's the 6 compartment Yum Box. It has a vacuum seal here. The insert comes out. The insert here, you can dishwash right in the dishwasher in the top rack. They do recommend the shell be hand washed. I have seen people put them in the dishwasher, but I personally don't because I heard it can ruin the vacuum seal. And we love these. We've loved Yum Box for a long time. I also get a lot of questions about my Yeti cups. This is a 30-ounce Yeti that I use for cold drinks. This is my Contigo cup, which has a lock for, it's completely like spill proof. I got that. I pretty much everything here you can get on Amazon, guys, so I'm linking it all down below. This is my Yeti 14-ounce camp mug. I use this when this one is in the dishwasher, and I really do like this, and I love this, but this is the bomb for keeping my coffee actually hot, like hot. I get asked about these constantly. I got these in a set of 2 on Grove Collaborative. However, Amazon has them on Prime, I believe, so you can get the 2-pack on Amazon with the lids. They have green and blue. I linked both colors down below. I will say the lids are very tight, so it actually takes like some muscle to get the lids off. They are extremely tight. I get questions about these little fruit cups that I use a lot, and I use these also for like little sides like pasta salad or macaroni salad. So I've got these, which are actually the same brand as these, my little dressing cups, and then these I use a lot for like granola or nuts as well. And then this is a recent love of mine. It's the Sistema brand, which I love. This is a Sistema product as well. And I actually got this on Amazon. I got 2 of them. And it's got 2 compartments here on the bottom with a divider, and then a larger compartment on here if you want to put like your sandwich, and then it clicks in and you can put your snacks here, and it's like an all-in-one with a little latch closure like that. I love these. It's the lunch cube. So guys, just to let you know, everything is linked below. I even tried to link a lot of the snacks that I get asked about a lot of the random stuff I get asked about a lot. That way you can go, you can click the link, you can read all about the description of it, you can read the reviews to see if it's something that you would enjoy and use. But these are all things that I stand by and absolutely love. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.